How to fix and solve Instagram can't save pictures. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the apps option. Here, go ahead and navigate to the Instagram option and tap on that, and then tap on the photos option and make sure the full access option is selected, and if not, then select the full access option. Now, go ahead and open the Instagram application and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down and under the Your App and Media tab, tap on the Archiving and Downloading option, and further, toggle on the button for Save Original Photos and Save Story to Camera Roll toggle button. So, this is how you can fix and solve Instagram can't save pictures. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.